Today is my 25th birthday, so here are 25 things I've learned in the last 25 years that I wish I knew sooner. Number 1, you're never gonna feel ready for something that you've always wanted to do. Do not wait for someday. If you wanna do something, just start and then you'll figure it out. Number 2, you will 100% outgrow some people in your life. Let them go. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life forever. Number 3, there's no such thing as a mean person. It's only insecure people who put you down to make themselves feel better. Number 4, the highest form of self-love is discipline. Do what you said you would do and you will never regret it. Number 5, your personality is a pattern. If you don't like it, change the pattern. Number 6, stop looking for your husband in places you hate. For example, for the longest time when I was in college, I would go to clubs almost every weekend in the hopes that I would find the guy of my dreams. And only by the end of college, when I was about to graduate, I realized that I hated going to clubs and that I had never actually met a guy that I even wanted to date when I was out. If I had just had the wisdom, I would have saved myself so much time, energy, and the mental effort of like, oh, does he like me? Does he not like me? If you like going to cafes or libraries or workout classes, you are much more likely to meet the person that you will marry in those situations, and you will be a lot happier if you meet your person there. So number 7, insecurities shrink when appreciation grows. If you made a mistake, you're human, stuff like this happens. If you didn't get a job, every rejection is redirection. If someone cheats on you, lack of integrity in someone else's character has nothing to do with you, your worth, and your value. Number 8, comparison is the thief of joy. However, comparison is integral to the human experience and you will end up comparing yourself to someone at some point. The way you choose to use that comparison is the differentiator. So the next time you find someone who's doing more than you, who's succeeding in life, and you end up comparing yourself, you use that as fuel to power you and remind you that you are capable of doing whatever they've done. Number 9, start investing early. You don't have to be ultra rich to invest. You can start with the smallest amount. It'll probably take you 15 to 20 minutes to learn the basics. You are earning money and you're not investing, you are not growing it, and it's just going to depreciate. Number 10, clothes are supposed to fit you and not the other way around. If the pair of jeans that you bought when you were 16 don't fit you anymore, it's okay to let them go, to donate them, or put them in the trash. They do not belong in your closet. You definitely don't have to starve yourself to fit into them anymore. Number 11, not everyone's gonna like you, and that's okay because you're not gonna like everyone too. And when you're okay with certain people not liking you, you actually end up liking yourself more. Number 12, everything is easier when you break it down. If you want to write a book, say I will write 10 pages every week over I'm going to write a book by the end of the year, you are much more likely to do the smaller tasks because the probability of you getting disheartened and demotivated with no tangible results is a lot more when you don't break it down. Number 13, your parents can be wrong too. It's their first time parenting. Forgive them anyway, move on, time is limited, and tell them how much you love them more. Number 14, and I love this one, be cringe. Genuinely think when you try something new, you will be a little embarrassed because it's unknown territory, but embarrassment fades, the regret won't. Number 15, if people who don't know you talk badly about you, you're shining, keep doing what you're doing. Number 16, the likelihood of life going according to the way you've planned in your head is very low, but roll with it anyway because God's plan is much bigger. Everything else is going to make sense, so just trust the process. I'm telling you, it's always for the best. Number 17, eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, walk more, lift more weights. These are just little hacks that I have finally learned to make it just a lot easier to stay in shape. Number 18, shoot your shot. Send that DM, email that CEO, ask that person out. The worst thing that can happen is that someone will say no. Failing is better than not trying, and the likelihood of you succeeding is actually a lot higher if you try. Number 19, you actually don't need to have a big friend group. This is again something that took me very long to make peace with because I never grew up having like the biggest friend group, and that would always make me a little bit insecure. But as I grew up, I realized I have such beautiful individual friendships which make me feel a lot more whole and complete. And I love catching up with people one-on-one, but big groups are just maybe not my thing, and that's okay. Number 20, yes, sugar isn't great for you. You should probably not be having it every single day, but sometimes a small piece of chocolate might just be the solution to your sanity, so do not deprive yourself. Number 21, real confidence is quiet. It does not need to perform. It does not need to be loud. Number 22, and this is again something that I realized 2 years after I'd started earning money, and that is do not operate from a scarcity mindset. You are more likely to attract abundance if you operate from that mentality. Number 23, the grass always looks greener on the other side, but gratitude makes your side look green too. Number 24, no one is thinking about you as much as you think they are. They're thinking about themselves. The spotlight you feel is almost imaginary. You're in the middle of your own messy, confusing, beautiful becoming. You're not behind, you are not late, you're not doing it wrong, you're just living, and that's okay. Number 24. You can't heal in the same environment that rewards your dysfunction. Sometimes growth looks like being too much in rooms that preferred the quieter version of you. And finally, number 25, be Delulu. Delusion is the only way you're going to actually achieve all of your dreams. The most successful people in the world have actually been a little bit delusional, and some people would call them crazy. But the truth is that they believed in themselves before the world did and before there was proof, and that's what you need to do as well. So yeah, these were just 25 things that I've learned in the last 2.5 decades, and if the 25-year-old version of me could go back in time and hug my younger self and tell her just one thing, I think I'd say you're not behind, and just wait and watch, because it's gonna get so much more fun. This is my first YouTube video ever. It honestly feels a bit vulnerable to sit here and say this out loud, but I had to take my own advice, because as I said, if I've learned something in the last 25 years, it is to start even when you're not feeling ready. And so this is my version of doing it. Thank you for being here. I love you.